Alright, hey, how's it going, guys? Super Duper Productions here with another video. Today's gonna be a little different. It's no install, nothing like that. It's actually gonna be just like kind of like a little vlog, you know? I'm trying to try something different. I'm just gonna show you like my daily routine. Like, this is usually what I do on my days off. This is what I just like to do on my days off. It usually involves cars, so I guess we'll see how it goes. I'm just gonna change some oil, wash the cars, you know, just do some typical stuff. And if you guys don't know, I own two little cute dogs. Her name's Lola. Ollie doesn't want to show up on camera. He ain't subscribed to the channel, it's all good. Oh, there he is. What's happening? Alright, let's go. Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and change the oil on this car. Just gonna have to jack it up, so, you know, low life. Always gotta jack up your car when you're low. When you're trying to change your oil, so let's get to it. The oil, y'all doing Subi oil. I always recommend to do Rotella T6. And a Mobile 1 oil filter, because, you know, she gotta have the best. Oh my god, this is my favorite car. Out of all my cars I've ever had, this is one I'll never sell, and I'm just never gonna sell this car. This is just my baby. I bought this at Walmart today too. Y'all go to Walmart? Pick this up. This shit was, oh, this stuff, only 12 bucks. That's cheap. And it holds 23 quarts. So you know how messy you be getting whenever you're doing your oil change. Let's get started. Check out the car. Did that, I'm gonna grab my color green. Take these out. Slide it underneath. There was another one that was a little cheaper, but this one holds a lot and it's pretty big, so you can take your oil filter and pull the oil drain at the same time. Pop it real quick. Honestly, I don't know if I ever showed, but I powder coated my intercooler piping here. Has a few little nicks and stuff already, but came out pretty clean. And they always say to loosen your oil cap when it's draining, so it gets better flow. So I just do it. So 17, guys, 17. At least mine is. Alright, got her all finished up now. Oil cap's back on. Dipstick's in. Drain plug and oil filter. If you do this, you're just gonna need a 17 mil. I love using these oil filter wrenches, and they're only a few bucks. I think they're only like 10 bucks, and they just make your life 10 times easier. Funnel, optional obviously, and then I just bought this drain pan. It's way easier. It holds 23 quarts, and then I'll probably just keep those and take them back to AutoZone. But only thing left to do is turn her on and make sure no leaks. Let's go ahead and turn her on. Alright guys, so I'm gonna use the GoPro because it's easier to to do pulls with the GoPro. Just gonna do a few pulls. I do like to do this after oil change. Let's go ahead and do it. This car sounds. Honestly, like, even though my Subaru is not gonna be the fastest car here pretty soon, it's it definitely is gonna be still my favorite, because you just can't beat this sound. And the way this car feels, I don't know, it's just nice. If you're a Subi guy, I feel like you might understand a little more, but I never really understood it until I had one, and I was like, yeah, this is why people love Subaru so much. It's just such an enthusiast car. Oh, but if you guys don't know, this car is still tuned on 91. It's 2005 STI. It has a COBB 20G on it with 850cc injectors. Let's go ahead and do a little pull here. Gets up and goes pretty good. It's basically a COBB 20G turbo with full bolt-ons, you know, full exhaust, lightweight crank pulley, intake, all the goodies, all the basic bolt-ons you can throw on. Still has TGVs, if you're wondering. So the Q50 in about a month is probably gonna just be able to smoke this thing, but I just love this car. Bumpy. But as always, this is filmed in Tijuana, Mexico. All these signs are wrong around here, so don't let this fool you. My speedometer is off, so that's not correct. So don't pay attention to that. It looks like we're pushing about like 22 pounds right now. The weather's really nice, so I just wanted to give you guys a nice point of view of how the car sounds, how it is when it's daily driving. Honestly, the Subaru's not might be the fastest, but I don't know. There's just something about them. They're just nice. They're just dope cars to have. Same thing with the Z's. I love the Z's also. The Z's they just feel so different from any other car too. And I I finally understood why people have, there's such a big community in the Z communities. Alright guys, sorry the video got cut kind of short. I kind of forgot how to film, but make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. And let me know if you guys want to see more content. You got, Q50 content. We got a Subi. We got a GTI now. I haven't shown on the channel yet. We got a little daily, a little MK4 GTI. But yeah, I mean, let me know what you guys want to see. Obviously, this one's gonna get tuned soon, so just stay tuned for that. I'm just waiting on the tuner right now. That's literally all I'm waiting for. But because we're trying to set up a dyno appointment, so yeah. But so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for the next one, and keep showing some love. Thanks, guys.